The thing when it comes to estate planning is there's basically two types of estate plans. There's your plan and there's the government's plan. I always prefer my plan, not necessarily the government's, because I don't always feel like they have my best interests in mind, and I want to have some control over that. We have to think about our own mortality, and that's never anything that's fun or enjoyable when it comes to it. But the truth of it is that estate planning isn't for us. It's for the loved ones that we leave behind afterwards, to make their job easier. Because if someone passes away and they haven't done any sort of estate planning, well, now that's left to their kids or their spouse. And many times that turns into, right, having to try and guess what mom or dad would have wanted. Did they want to, be buried in a casket? Did they want to be cremated? What songs did they, would they have wanted played at their funeral? As opposed to, if we can put all that stuff together, what that does is it's really a gift to our family and loved ones, because it allows them to do what they need to do, and that's grieve, right? To grieve and process through their loss, and then be able to move on without them having to make any of those difficult decisions in your absence. And so the quicker we can get in front of that, the better, because as someone who's done it myself for my family, I didn't know the burden that I was carrying subconsciously, right? The fear of, if something happens to me, what's going to happen to my wife, Ashley, to our son, Leo, to our daughter, Lennon, if I'm gone? Now that we got that estate planning done, I can rest easy at night knowing that, God forbid, something happened to me, that they're going to be taken care of, and all of the necessary things that are in place for them are going to ensure that they're going to be just fine and they're going to be taken care of.